Assalamu alaikum to all of the viewers. Hope your life will be in kicking. Our today's topic is would like to. The definition of would like to is it is used to talk about a desire, or you can say a strong desire. Let me tell you about the structures. First, we have to use subject, then would, like, to, base form of the word, and a complement. The negative structure is subject, would not, like to, base form of the word, and a complement. The interrogative structure is would, subject, like to, base form of the word, and a complement. But remember to use a question mark at the end. And in the American structure, we have to use wouldn't first, then subject, like to, base form of the word, complement with a question mark. And the British structure at the end is would first, subject, then not, like to, base form of the word, complement, and a question mark. If you want to make the state form of would like to, instead of the base form of the word, we use be. So it will change into the state. And here my first example is I would like to perform Umrah. The second example is she wouldn't like to eat pizza. The third example is would you like to start your own business? And the American example is wouldn't Alina like to travel to Europe? And the last example in the state is he would like to be a millionaire. You can use the following structures to show your desire. And thank you so much for watching us.